moisture. Oh, girl, we did not need that much. Look cute, okay? I don't want to look cute. I want to look cute. Okay. What's up? Look at my hair.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, sis, and now we are best friends, and I mean that, okay? So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. When you do subscribe, make sure that you turn on your push notifications. Put them on all, not personalized, so you don't miss out on anything. I'm also about to be doing some giveaways, honey, so you know, keep up with the girl, and make sure that you follow me on my social media too, because I'm very active there outside of YouTube, okay? So I know what you're here for. You're ready to see me do a braid out on stretched hair. So if you don't know, or you haven't been keeping up with the girl like you should, I just clipped my ends, got rid of all my split ends, gave myself a little trim at home. So if you wanted to see how I did that, 9 out of 10 the video is going to be somewhere up here or in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And I also stretched my hair by blow drying it and like running my straightener through. No, it's not straight, like it's not sleek, and it's still big, but I feel as though this is a really good base to do a braid out. I also want to put some moisture back into my hair because it don't feel the most moisturized. So that's why we are about to do a braid out. So I'm gonna show you guys what products you need. First, I will be using what I have left of this the freaking the writing has completely come off this bottle. So this is Curl's Daughter Divine Strength Leave-In Cream. It's really thick. It has a really thick consistency. It's kind of like yellow. And I also will be using a mixture of 2 gels. So 9 out of 10 I'm going to use mostly Eco. This is the crystal kind with maximum 10 hold, and I also want to use Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I would have used this completely if I had more in the bottle. Yeah, I'm also going to be putting some oil on my scalp. This was like $2 from the beauty supplies, just regular coconut oil. Some people say coconut oil isn't good for your scalp, but my hair likes it, so I'm going to use that. I also will be detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb and a denman brush. Also going to be using some clips to keep her together, and one of these babies, what is this, a rat tail comb, duh, to part. And I also will be using some Shine and Jam just on my parts. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. I already have done a braid out on my I've already done a braid out on my channel, but it wasn't on stretched hair. So when I did it, it was just like, it gave me a bush, you know what I'm saying? And that's not what I was really looking for. It was cute. Don't get me wrong, it was cute, but that's not the style that I'm going for today. So with me having stretched out hair, I think it's gonna give me more of a defined look. Also do know that I will be leaving these braids in all day and all night. You know what I mean? Like if you leave a style in for a couple of hours, 9 times out of 10 your hair isn't going to be too defined, you know? So basically what I'm doing is I'm getting a pretty chunky section, you know what I mean? Like this is the amount of hair that I have, and I'm gonna get some Shine and Jam first, and I'll put that on the roots. You definitely don't need to pick up as much as I just did. Let me put some back. I'm gonna massage that into my scalp. Doing that just now felt so good. Oh my god. And once I have that, this just allows me to grip all the hair. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna take some of the Define Cream. This is very moisturizing. And you know, basically this is kind of like a protective style. You know, it's a heatless style. So whenever you do these, you want to make sure that you are feeding your hair with a lot of goods. So I'm gonna put some of this throughout the hair. You don't want to put too much though, because you don't want to make your curls revert. So now that I have that, I'm gonna start to braid. And you want to always make sure that you have even amounts in each part. And you're just going to start braiding your hair up. You see how one of my sections is smaller than the other? Yeah, girl, don't do that, because you don't want to grab from the other section like you normally would when you're just doing regular braids, because you don't want to do that, because it's going to like mess up the curl pattern that you're creating. You know what I'm saying? And also know that the tighter you braid, the tighter your curls will come out in the end. So I'm doing mine pretty tightly because I want a lot of definition in my hair. But I'm doing the finger coil at the end versus just braiding all the way down to the end, because when I do that, my hair has the little at the end. I don't know how to describe it. So if you are doing this on wet hair, you will have the choice to finger coil your ends. But the way my hair is, when my hair is stretched, it don't easily revert back. So what I'm gonna do is take some of these perm rods. I'm gonna comb the ends of my hair out, and I'm gonna put a little bit more gel on them. And I'm gonna put a perm rod at the end. Just wrap it, tuck it, and curl it underneath. If you don't have and I'm gonna roll it up a bit so I know that it stays put. If you don't have perm rods, you can also use small flexi rods. So yeah, you guys, that's basically what I'm gonna do throughout my entire head. And I think I'm gonna end up with like, I'm gonna have 5 braids on each side. So I'm gonna have 10. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna split this in a half, 4 or 5, and I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna play some music for y'all so y'all can watch, and hopefully this style comes out cute. If it don't come out cute, I'm gonna be highly mistaken, child. Also, the more defined you want your hair to be, the smaller you should braid. So I think these are like good size braids for me. So yeah, I'm gonna start wrapping y'all heads off. Please make sure you like this video if it was informative, you learned something new, or you just liked watching it, girl. And comment down below what you want me to film next for natural hair care. It's my life, it's your life, it's all life. Get on down, baby, your life. It's my life, it's your life, it's all life. Your bed said. know I look crazy, or at least I think I look crazy because I have on this red lip. Oh, Terra don't do red lips on the regular. And my hair's not out. So right now I feel like it look crazy. Hopefully, I look right once I take my hair out and fluff it out and make it big and put on my outfit, because I want to take pictures today. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully it looks good. But basically it's the next day. It's around 2:18 currently, which means I've had these in for like 24 hours. So if my hair isn't set and fully, sorry, I just dropped a video. Y'all be showing me love and I appreciate it so much. But hopefully it comes out right, because I want to look cute. Okay, I don't want to look cute. I want to look cute. Like, I want to look fine, you know what I'm saying? So they feel completely dry though, and the bottom has a nice little curl to it. We love that. So basically, what I would suggest you to do, if you don't mind having like very oily hair, put some oil on your fingers while taking out your hair. However, for me personally, I don't like it. It just makes my hair feel weighed down and whatnot. So just take your time when taking out your braids to make sure that you don't get much frizz. I personally like frizz. I know everyone else don't. They want their hair to be super duper defined, but I don't really mind frizz. But I am still trying to take them out gently, just so I can still have definition. But I like to have frizz throughout my hair a little bit. So yeah, now I'm just separating them wherever it wants to separate at, and just pulling it out a little bit, basically at the root. I'm not really messing with the actual curl. I'm just pulling it out at the root, and my hair feels so soft. Oh my god. And my ends are soft and they don't have no crunch, so Eco did a pretty good job. But basically I'm just doing this because the more I do that, the bigger my hair will be at the end. So yeah.
I gotta stop taking small shit for granted. Yeah, this bag is for a sandwich, I ain't packing sandwich. Anything you do in life gonna be a challenge. If you come up to them nice, they gonna take advantage. And I know, I'm on that level. That bitch feed me breakfast. She cooking my breakfast. She doing my nails. Pair in the game and I keep additional guns in the dope. I take the belly and
Okay, you guys, so I could have sworn that I was recording when I did my edges, but obviously I wasn't. All I used was Got To Be, and I made sure that I set my edges with a satin or silk scarf. But basically, here's the result. My hair is really soft, really manageable still after all of that, and really just moisturized and fluffy and airy, and I love it. I will be wearing my hair like this for a brick because I'm just in love, and it's really easy to do. You put your hair in 10 braids, you put some moisturizer in, and you keep pushing. Like, I love it. Mine isn't that defined because, like I said, I really love to have a lot of fluffiness and airiness. Like, my hair is just doing the dang thing right now. I love it. So yeah, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm about to go take some flicks, which is why I have this whole coat on and whatnot. So if you want to see how, like, the behind the scenes of how I take my pictures, be on the lookout for a day in the life of Jaterra. If that video comes out after this, then that means that I'm going to film this content in that video, so make sure you watch it. So yeah. Ooh, what's up? Look at my hair. It's giving, baby, volume, yada yada yada. It's giving fullness. It's giving moisturization. You know what I'm saying? And it's all me. Her. Okay, I'm doing too much. Okay, anyways, I'm rambling now, so let's wrap up this video. Okay, bye guys. I love y'all. Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, boy. Know what I mean, bitch? On it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face wanna know what I got. Love what you see. You wanna deal on my shit so hot, yeah. I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.